Did you wake up this morning feeling pain? Or maybe this kind of pain? Or maybe even something falling off your car kind of pain? Well, here at Doc Motorworks, we know how to take care of that kind of pain. So with Doc Motorworks, there is a lot of emphasis on the medical field, where when we care for a car, we oftentimes, will kit around of a prescription that we're recommending or a daily dose of some sort, or specifically things to improve the health of the car. We try to really break it down in the sense of urgency, how quickly things need to be tended to. We strive to improve the relationship between you and your car. So with the new procedures for the health protocol, either you can key drop the vehicle, which would mean you put the key in an envelope and drop it through the mail slot. If you were to come into the facility, you put your keys into a sanitation box, and it does a UV sanitation of the keys. Also in that space that we have up front, it's required to wear masks if you're going to stay indoors. We do have touchless payment that you can make, where if you wanted us to text message you, we can provide you the invoice where you would just enter in your credit card information and payment would be processed through the connection on your phone. Or if you were to come in the building, we have the kiosks that you can do the touchless payment with your telephone, or we could even just run your credit card like usual from the credit card terminal at the front desk. I genuinely believe that we are put on this planet to serve other people. And by just focusing on that one detail, it really puts you in a much better perspective when it comes to taking care of all of the customer's needs and not just trying to pitch something or sell something or push something on someone. It's not like that at all. It's much more about providing service.